Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar did make a pretty decent move up, but ever since we broke this structure to the downside on the higher time frames, I'm actually still looking for sorts. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this actually just kept on drifting down, or if it does decide to make a three-way pullback. Either way, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last five-wave pattern. This is definitely a very, very clear five waves. I would expect to see three waves up from here, probably an A, B, C. Sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending down, so definitely be aware of that. But I'm definitely watching for three waves up. I'm watching for a Fibonacci level to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.